guys! So, we're here at National Bookstore. We are tingin-tingin some books, but we cannot buy them. Kasi, hindi namin afford. Joke.
Anong joke? Totoo naman.
Pero yung mga books namin guys, yung nasa bahay, it's worth 10 million pesos guys. So, of course, afford natin lahat ng books dito.
Alam mo ba na mayroong nagbas doon sa 10 million mong panty? Sabi niya, bakit? Gold ba yung panty?
Alangan, yes, it's made of gold. Real gold, guys. Wait lang. Second na lang gusto ko. Alangan. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is, ito, meron silang mga anime. Sana I can buy these books soon. Wow. Meron ba silang
Are you done reading with your book na birthday gifts?
Yes.
Everything?
Yeah. Dami nilang books like Mob Psycho.
What book do you wish to have ba?
Yung mga anime. Wow.
Smell. Video to.
Okay.
Ay, dito na pala kayo?
Yes.
Pati dito may music.
Yeah.
Lobat na uli ako na.
Wait,
Nakanan ako, hindi masama pakiramdam ko na hindi ko maintindihan. Sino yan?
Natin.
Tara na to. Si Vicky, hindi ko naman alam kung nasaan. Dali na ba? Love, dali na ba?
Okay guys, alis na tayo because we are going home. By the way, ito yung dress ko guys. Ito yung dress. This is the dress I wore to my two brothers' graduation. Guys, worth 10 million to guys. Ito at saka itong bag ko guys, worth 10 million kasi tignan nyo, may gold. Totoong gold to guys.
Bago na, layas na.